Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you get Meta AI on Instagram. So guys, if you want to get Meta AI on Instagram, then how can you do this? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, we have to just simply open App Store, and after that guys, simply tap on search and search here for Instagram. Tap on this, tap on Instagram, and you have to make sure that there is no update on app. If there have any update, then you have to just simply update your Instagram and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open Instagram, tap on profile, tap on your three lines, and after that guys, scroll to below, then here you can see guys, help. Tap on this, and after that guys, just simply tap on report a problem. Tap here and tap on report a problem, and after that guys, you have to just simply tap on here include and continue. Tap on this, and after that guys, you have to just simply briefly explain your problem that you cannot get Meta AI on Instagram. So guys, you have to just simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after that the Instagram team will oversight this matter and they will try to fix this problem in 24 hours. So in this way your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.